spring cleaning, you think of this, right? This plus this equals spring cleaning because you're going to go cleaning surfaces and that's that. No, 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 no. I want you to spring clean something else that is much more important, and you're not going to get too dirty, but the benefits far outweigh a shiny counter, okay? Sanity and money. This spring cleaning hack is going to save you. Okay. So what do I want you to do? I want you to spring clean your wallet. This wallet, this is a microcosm of your house. This actually is another room. Think of it as another room in your house. Actually, it's more than one room. Ready? It's a bathroom, of course. We have to carry Band-Aids around, right? Oh, it's a little bit of a kitchen too. We've got to wipe from. We've got to carry that around as well. And let's not forget the candy. So it's a candy jar as well. Okay, in addition to looking like a bathroom, looking like a kitchen, it's an office. Of course it is. Okay, you're carrying around business cards. You're carrying around gift cards. You're carrying around receipts from grocery stores. Wait, there's more. You're carrying around reward cards to stores that don't exist anymore. They went out of business. Wait. And then, oh wait, it does carry money. Who uses that anymore? But good thing it doesn't take up enough space because all your other stuff is taking up space. And also, you're lugging this thing around. You know what? You know why it weighs 14 pounds? If you have 13 pounds of coins in there and you don't like even touching them. All right, so this is what I want you to do. Spring cleaning tip for your wallet. Ready? Boom. Dump it all out. Dump it out. All right, give yourself some space. You're taking it all out, right? It looks a little chaotic, but really it works. All right, so then you're going to separate paper and putting like things together. So paper, receipts, money paper, keep that aside. That paper's good. Okay, and then we have coupons. We have coupons. Okay, we're going to sort out expired, boom, purge. So as we go through and put like things together, gift cards, reward cards, receipts, coupons, we're going to get rid of those things that are expired or don't exist anymore. So already, boom, you're doing great. All right, we're doing the purging. We're doing basically downsizing. You're going to take the 13 pounds of coins, okay, to the bank, and that's real dollars, okay? You're downsizing the coins to dollars, and you will actually use them instead of just keep adding to it, all right? So we're organizing, we're downsizing, we're purging, okay? We're doing all those things. So now it's time to put back things that count, that matter, okay? Don't put things back that don't matter. Too much space. Okay. So what happens with coupons? You know you have them. You're at the store. You're at the register. And you're looking for them. Probably expired anyway. If you find them, people are in the line back of you, are mad at you because you're taking up so much time. And you say, oh, forget it, because you can't find it because you're... Okay, so coupons. All right? Spring cleaning that wallet. I want you to put your coupons in this nifty little container, right? See through. You can see what you have. And guess what I do? When I go to the store that I know I'm going to, okay, I'm going to this store today, I go through my pile, boom, take out the coupon I want. So when I'm at the register, boom, they're getting it, and guess what? It's not expired, right? Right, so coupons, a lot of paper, a lot of mess in your wallet. Next, and really, wallets with compartments equals chaos. Keep the compartments to a minimum. Okay, next, really counts, is your gift cards. You have 1,000 of them. You know you do. So consolidate, put them all together, all right? And what you do is another nifty little vinyl thing, little see-through. Gift cards go in here, and guess what you do? This is what I do. Sanity saver and money saver. I write down on this index card inventory. So I know who's in here. Who's in here? We have Whole Foods. We have Target. We have Dunkin' Donuts. So I grab this and take out the cards that I will be using at the store I will actually be visiting. Okay? You don't need to lug around your whole life in your wallet. Okay? So inventory, boom, right? And guess what happens? When you're done with that gift card, you cross it off so you don't feel like you lost it. Okay, so we're feeling good. We found some money. We found some sanity along the way. Yes, we have. Right. I have saved the best for last. What I want you to do is take a picture or a copy, camera or scanner of all important cards in your wallet. That would be your license, that would be credit cards, insurance cards, because if any one of those were lost or stolen, I was robbed. I know the feeling of, oh my God, I have to go home and figure out what was in the wallet, call those card companies to cancel, right? So I had a copy of my cards front and back, so I knew who to call. I know, because you can't rely on your monthly bill, because it only puts the last 4 digits on your bill. So it's not going to help you when you go to cancel, because they're going to ask you for the account number. And it's, God only knows where your card is. So boom, right? Take a copy, so when you have to call that particular credit card company, yes, you do. You have all the information at your fingertips, so they can replace your stuff in a minute. All right? So this spring cleaning hack has saved you money and sanity. Now, isn't that better than a China counter? Like, China counters on the weekend, you know, don't. All right, you got it. So hope this helps you. I'm Lynn, Life Organizer.